Hi everyone, and welcome to a new video. In this video we are gonna see how we can check what is the problem with our heating, or the heating on my car doesn't work. It's too cold outside, but on these W204 chassis, a C-Class 2008, the heating doesn't work. And we are gonna diagnose and see how we can check it. So I'm gonna turn the car on. And no matter what, for example, I can put the heating on, but it doesn't blow. It doesn't work, so there is no heat coming from the ventilation. So let's get started. So one of the problem can be the blower itself, but it's not the case on my situation, because I tried it and applied 12 volts here, and it worked without any problem. The next thing that could be in a problem is the resistor. I'm gonna post a picture of the resistor, or the module that controls the speed of the blower. That also could be the problem, or the climate itself. So let's see how we can diagnose it. The next thing that we've got to do is to put our multimeter. I'm gonna put my multimeter on voltage up to 20 volts, and I'm gonna check the motor blower connector. The negative will go to negative, the positive will go to positive. And with the ignition on, there is no reading at all. So definitely something is a problem here. Let's check the resistor. Here is the connector that I pulled out of the resistor. So it's got 4 wires. The left one is the minus, or the ground. The right one here, the red one, is the positive. And we should have 12 volts. So let's firstly check whether the connection between the battery or the wirings are good that go to the resistor. So how the resistor works, here it is on the Mercedes. Let's find it. This one here is the resistor. So how it actually works, we've got negative and positive, and the resistor is powered up, or the module is powered up. This wire here, the yellowish or whitish wire here, the second one next to the brown, is the signal that comes from the climate. And here we should have a signal, and this one goes to the motor. So the first thing that we are going to check is to see whether we have power to these 2 wires. We've got to have 12 volts here. So let's test it. As you can see, I put the positive to the right pin and the negative to the left pin, and as you can see, I've got around 12 volts, which is good. I've got powering to the module. The next thing that I'm gonna try is to see whether the signal is good, the signal that comes from the climate control. So let's check whether the signal that comes from the climate control, or the knob, or this electronics here, and which goes to the module, is okay. Let's grab the connector. I'm gonna put the red probe to the second from the left, and the minus to the ground. And as you can see, whenever I change the the blower, the voltage changes. It controls the speed of the motor. So the climate control controls the module, and then the modules send appropriate voltage to the blower in order to control its speed. Now we are sure that the connection between the climate and the module or the resistor is okay. So now we are sure that the resistor or the module that controls the speed of the motor of the blower is bad. So here is the resistor. I pulled it out and it's got a problem. So I'm gonna find a replacement for it. I'm gonna reinstall, and I'm pretty sure that it is gonna solve the problem. So in this video we saw how we can check what can be the problem. The problem can be in the resistor, in the blower motor, or the climate, maybe the fuse, maybe wiring, but these are some common problems. And especially if it is winter, we've got to have it and we've got to find the solution as soon as possible. Hi everyone, the video is filmed after the video that I showed you, and it's dark outside and foggy and cold, but I'm happy that I found a solution for the problem that I used to have with my blower motor. So how I fixed it, I wanted to let you know because it didn't even cost me anything at all, and maybe you want to try it before trying to replace the motor at all. I cleaned the connector that goes to the resistor that I showed you in the video, and also the connector that the connector on the resistor itself, and it did fix the problem. So let's see how it works now. I hope you can hear the blower motor works without any problem. So I'm happy that I found a solution. So thank you for watching. If you like similar videos like this one, where I'm talking about electronics, programming microcontrollers, or similar things, DIY videos and everything that I do in my free time, please consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. So thank you and bye-bye.